Hello and welcome to part 2. So today we're going to be going over the rails and the ramps to add on to our platforms that we did last time. So to start, this is what we ended up with. We're just going to copy it over just to make it a bit more complete. And we'll just copy these ones just in case and we'll hide them. So we can go over to create. And then compound objects, and then boolean, add operands, and then add the other tube. And now they're together and combined. From here, we can convert it to an editable poly by right-clicking it. And we're going to adjust the edges. So normally you'd pick them, but a faster way to do it is actually if you click here to modify, and then this loop mode. Now when you click it, it'll select all the outside, the insides as well. And then make sure you unselect it, otherwise it'll take the loop away. And we need to unselect these edges here, okay? Because we want to combine it into one. So when we zoom in, we have this edge, but we want to create a vertex, so we'll insert a vertex. We need to, it's not snapping there, we need to snap it here. And now we can uncheck insert vertex, deselect that edge, and connect these two vertexes. Just turn off the edge, sometimes that gets in the way. And connect them. Now I'm going to go back to edge so we can see that they're connected. And we do the same thing on the other side, where we insert a vertex, put on the edge, snap it off, and deselect that edge, go to vertex, connect these two, and now it's all together. So now we have the shapes, and we can create a shape now. Let's just name it rails, rail boolean. Now it's its own shape, which means, let's just change the color so you can see it. If we go to rendering, enable on viewport, right now it's radial, so let's change it to rectangular, 100 mil, 100 mil, and now we have a rail. Super easy way to do it. And we're going to create a spline, helix, and just click anywhere. We'll adjust the parameters after. So adjust it to 6 meters, 6 meters, 1 meter, because that's how high it is. Half a turn is good. And now we'll align it. Let's just align to that one, not the boolean, otherwise it won't go in the proper direction. And make sure it's pivot point as well. Now let's just rename it, move it down 1 meter. So now it's going to be a helix ramp going up. Copy it and we'll move it over just to show you two different ways of doing it. So first way, if we modify it and just type in sweep, there's an inbuilt one, so we can do this channel and you can edit their parameters. So let's adjust them accordingly to what we need. You can play around with it to suit your needs. I want it to be straight, so just turn off the corner radius, align it by 90 degrees. And now we can fix it up to our liking. And align. So sometimes, usually it's in the middle, but I just moved it to the side. You can do it whatever suits you. And then there's also banking as well. I just want it to be flat, so I turn it off. Another way you could do it is, let's just copy it. So we have two. If we do a sweep, we'll just use the bar. And 0.1, 3 meters. Turn it back to 0. And it's fine, aligned. Now we want to take the other helix and create a sweep, but this time we're going to, instead of the build, we're going to pick. And we're going to pick these two that I made, these two lines that I made. And now we create that railing. So let's just rotate it back 0. And we'll need to just raise it up by 0.1. Negative 0.9. And there you go, now we have rails. So that's another way. So it depends on what you want to do. You can either use the inbuilt, or if you want a custom one, maybe like a wavy ramp. I don't know why you'd want that, but if you did, yeah, so that's what it looks like at the end. I like to separate them just because I can use material. So the rail could be one material, the ramp can be another. Otherwise, it's just two. Same with the other rails can be that, and the Boolean platform can be another material. If you're just stumbling across my video now, make sure to check out part 1 so you know how to get those platforms. And I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Thanks.